sound or differentiate a note. How does that look in practice? Well, essentially, traditional music notation operates on a grid. Let me just change tools here. Woohoo. Operates on a grid. Reading from, what's that, left to right along an x-axis is time. On each discrete system or stave of 5 lines, we have pitch ranging from lower to higher. And that is replicated throughout. These smaller units in the grid give us the sense of pulse and metre. So how does it operate here? Well, clearly we can see the way that pitch is used, is represented here. This is a bit confusing now. Okay. 2 notes played with reference to an upper register, what we might call treble register. Here we have an example of the way rhythm might be notated. 4 fairly quick notes, a silence, another note, 2 bars or measures or periods of silence, 4 relatively quick attacks yet again. We have in that green thing up there the sense of tempo or speed. This particular excerpt suggests that a good speed, to take this as, would be 126 beats per minute. The beat here being of that particular unit, what we might call what we would call a quaver. Americans would call it a eighth note, isn't it? Yep, I get confused with the American system sometimes. Okay, and there we get a sense of a changing metre, a changing pulse as we go in this excerpt. Here are our instrumental forces down the left-hand side: 4 oboes, a cor anglais, bass clarinet, 8 horns, piccolo trumpet, and another trumpet. This is just the top parts of a much larger score. And here, here, is our sense of tone colour, that these trumpets are playing with a mute in place.